Okay, what's up, ladies and gentlemen? Sonic Blaster 123 ODST back up in the building. This time, I got a mission. They want me to kill the first dragon. I don't. Oh, and I bought some warrior armor. You know what? An assassin doesn't kill a freaking dragon. Warrior. Yeah, and warriors use magic. Yeah, that's a joke. You got. Oh my gosh, I run like a little freaking girl. Okay, I'm gonna freaking use steel hammer. And dragon. Should I bow with steel hammer? I'll use steel hammer for the first time. Hut, huddle, hut. The hell are you doing, lady? They call you the lion leader. Yeah, cheetah. Yeah, I'm making out rhymes for it. This is Skyrim Dragon.
No signs of any dragon right
Hit
now.
me if you.
But it sure looks like he's been. I know it looks bad. We've got to figure out what happened. And if that dragon is still skulking around somewhere. Spread out and look for survivors. We need to know what we're dealing with.
Okay. What are we dealing with here? This looks like no work of a dragon. This looks like the work of something that can fly and use fire. You know, if there was ice everywhere, then it'd be more believable. Western Watchtower. Is anybody here? Anybody alive? Not a single.
No, get back. It's still here somewhere.
Oh crap.
Rocky and Todd just got grabbed when they tried to make a run for it.
Oh crap.
Father, what happened here? Where's this dragon? Quickly now!
I don't know. Oh. Kinneret, save us. Here he comes again.
Here he comes! Find cover and make every arrow count!
Arrow. Okay, you know, yeah, I think that's. He's here! Talos. He said Talos, you freaking stormcloakers. Yo, bring it on, jit. Major lag. If you a man, sit down. I am. Oh crap. I'm dead. Come on. Come up to get sit down. And why? Come on, I call your name, Marikin. Lag. You're not a man. Freaking. Oh crap. You wanna go? Freaking hammer doesn't swing. Give me that. Yeah. Swing blindly. Oh, yes, okay. This guy's about to get pwned. Okay. Oh yeah, my freeze bow, huh? Bet you're gonna be scared of that. Back up. Die by my arrow. Critical strike. I am. I killed the dragon. Proudest day in my life. What the hell's going on? Wait. Oh no. What's happening? Whoa, dragon scales are a lot of value. You know what, since I'm gonna be a mage, I can just sell them all. Time for mental renovating. Whoa. Guys, what's going on? Look at... Damn it. Oh no! No! Get back up. You are my brother. Good thing I have console commands. Res... Resurrect. Brother, I thought you died.
I can't believe it. You're Dragonborn.
Dragonborn! It's like the book I read.
In the very oldest tales, back from when there were still dragons in Skyrim, the Dragonborn would slay dragons and steal their power. That's what you did, isn't it? Absorb the dragon's power.
I think you may be right.
There's only one way to find out. Try to shout. According to the old legends, only the Dragonborn can shout without training, the way the dragons do.
Dragonborn? What are you talking about?
P. I get it, P. Yeah, you understand what I mean.
That's right. My grandfather. He summons the Thum.
Whoa! Whoa!
Those born with the dragon blood in them. Like old Tiber Septim himself.
I've never heard of Tiber Septim killing any dragons.
There weren't any dragons then, idiot. They're just coming back now for the first time in forever.
Whoa.
But the old tales tell of the Dragonborn who could kill dragons and steal their power. You must be one.
What do you say, Irleth? You're being awfully quiet. Come on, Irleth. Tell us. Do you believe in this Dragonborn
Do you think I'm
business?
Dragonborn? F5?
Some of you would be better off keeping quiet than flapping your gums on matters you don't know anything about.
Bitch!
What manner of power is that?
Here's a dead dragon, and that's something I definitely understand. Now we know we can kill them.
Whoa. Could I be
But
something
I don't
special?
need some mythical dragonborn. Someone who can put down a dragon is more than enough for me.
Whoa.
You wouldn't understand, Housecar. You ain't a North.
Oh.
I've been all across Tamriel. I've seen plenty of things just as outlandish as this.
But I just ate
I'd
its
advise
soul.
you all to trust in the strength of your sword arm over tales and legends.
That was shouting, what you just did. Must be. You really are Dragonborn then.
Freaking elf. I think I'm gonna leave now.
We taught that dragon not to mess with Whiterun, didn't we?
You guys are like the elite dragon rape squad. Wait, what's my mission? Request. Whoa. I think I'm Dragonborn. What? Oh, wait. You're sent over here. Sent over here. I don't even know what to say. I mean, dragons are so powerful. I guess I'm all the evidence there is to it. But still, how could someone just believe they're Dragonborn? I guess I slayed the dragon. Maybe I just still don't understand yet. I want to visit this area real quick. Alone. Why in the world do I feel so alone? Nobody but me. I'm on my own. Is there anyone out there who feels the way I feel? AKA, I can't finish the rest of that song because it's by Eminem. Why in the world do I feel so alone? F5. That's a quick save, if you guys would know. Sneaky. Okay, there's the giant. Yo, if he gets up close, I'm also Dom. No way. Damn. Okay, how many of you guys could say you've done that? Yeah, not too many. Damn, one shot. Oh, good. Oh my god. Sell a few of these. Can't believe. Wait, oh yeah, I could sell. That's worth some money. Chest. Oh yeah, that's what I need for that mission. Oh, mammoth cheese. Yum. Yeah, the guy didn't see me kill his friend. Did I miss? I freaking hate when... Oh, sad music. Oh, great, sad music. One dragon down. Took you down. Freaking. Whoa. Guy got rocked. Not so tough now, are you? Force hide. Okay. I think it's time for wait, T. If I can T. Okay, I guess I'll end the episode at the loading screen. Yeah, this was pretty intense. Thank you guys for watching. Sonic Blaster 123 ODST signing out. Boo, boo, boo.